What'd you get, Wick?
Got a new rain gutter. Goes under the top, back in here, all the way across, so that when it either rains or you wash your car, water that gets down between the top and that doesn't drip down in the trunk and so forth, and runs it over here, kind of ingenious, down into that drain where we blew all the sand out.
Oh, yeah.
So the typical one that they make now is fiberglass. It's not really correct, and it's I think they're prone to cracking and so forth because this thing is extremely flexible. And it really is pretty identical to the factory one. The only difference I see at all is this piece is actually two pieces in this repro. And this obviously, back in 1969, they had a machine that could do the entire run in one piece. This outside seems like it's one solid piece, but for whatever reason, maybe the way they manufactured it, they had to put it in half at a time, but it won't make any difference to us, and you'll never see it because this goes in and that tack strip goes over top of it, and then the chrome trim goes over the backside. So
It's little details.
yeah, so get that bad boy in.
Wick's on the job.
Kind of nice access without the top and all that other stuff in here.
Yeah, it's nice when you...
Actually, it would have been really easy to run the wires back there
Hindsight.
between the cars.
We got hole issues.
Yeah, you can see this one will line up, that one will line up. There isn't one there, there isn't one here. There isn't one here, but there's
A slot.
a slot there. This one's pretty close. When I go for it, yeah, there's one here. This one's pretty close. Although this one's actually on the wrong side. I think it really.
I'm gonna have to finagle that in.
Yeah, this is. I don't think this really should come up quite like that because there's that secondary piece that slips up underneath this ridge here. So I'll have to mark it, and there's some other holes in there.
Do a little drilling.
But yeah, I don't understand how they messed that up, unless, like I say, unless this is 68 to 72 part, so maybe there were some differences in hole locations between the years.
Which I've noticed a lot.
Yeah.
They always go for the most popular
Yeah.
year, and then everybody else is screwed.
Yeah, whatever's most common.
Yay! Custom Wick built holes.
Yeah, they're not very good. But
I'm not gonna tell on you.
I think it'll work all right.
Wow, that one turned out pitching.
Yeah.
That was nice.
It's hard to get them fucking square.
That's why they make washers.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well,
Custom
Here's what it is now.
custom Wick. You definitely can't return it now.
No. I don't think they want it back.
Oh well.
Oh, it wasn't quite as close.
Wick's got that baby mounted up for the most part with his custom holes. That looks good.
It's gonna function. I guess is the most important part.
That's definitely important. Dumping water into the body is important.
It's not going anywhere.